We're now going to take a look at time deltas. These are a separate data type in pandas. They represent an amount of time, such as 5 minutes and 34 seconds. The highest unit possible is days. So you could have something that's like 12 days, 5 minutes, and 34 seconds. They always have nanosecond precision. And they do have their own special properties and methods with the DT accessor. You can see them again in the documentation over here. They just show the properties, but they do also have, here are some methods down here. So they show those. We don't have any time deltas in our data set, but what we can do is we can take the stop time and we can subtract the start time, and that will give us a time delta. You can see here, there's the data type, and I will assign this to the variable ride length. All right, you can see here that it does show the days, hours, minutes. So this is, just the ride length, right? Stop time minus start time is the ride length. Now, just like the other two data types, date times and periods, you can use the DT accessor to .dt dot, and you can see all of its attributes and methods. So there's not a whole lot going on here, but hopefully you can, see. We've already, seen seal and floor and round. You can pull out very specific things like the days. We'll see the maximum days of this. So nobody has written for more than 1 day. We can look at, actually it does not have the hours, which is a little confusing why it does not exist. You can get the seconds part. This actually gets you the entire seconds. But there's actually something called total seconds. This is a little bit different. So in case there were days over here or hours, it would make sure to incorporate that in as well. It just wouldn't just get the seconds part from just the minutes and the hours. So you have to read the documentation carefully to see this number of seconds, less than a day. So it does hours, minutes, and seconds. So that's actually kind of confusing. But if you read the documentation, hopefully it'll help you figure it out. Anyways, the point here is that if you have a time delta object, you use the DT accessor, and then you can access through dot notation all of its properties, all of its methods.